Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Pharma Manufacturing Academy. In today's training session, we will discuss the 5 Golden Rules of Good Manufacturing Practice, or GMP. These principles are essential for professionals working in pharmaceutical, food, and medical device manufacturing, where product quality and patient safety are critical. Understanding GMP helps prevent errors, maintain regulatory compliance, and ensure that every product reaching the patient is safe and effective. Let's begin. Before we discuss the rules, let's understand why GMP is so important. First, GMP protects patients and consumers from contaminated, substandard, or mislabeled products. Second, GMP focuses on error prevention by establishing systematic controls that reduce contamination, mix-ups, and manufacturing mistakes. And third, GMP compliance is mandatory worldwide for pharmaceutical, food, and medical device industries. Simply put, GMP ensures product quality, protects patient safety, and builds trust with regulators and customers. The first golden rule of GMP is getting the facility design right. A well-designed manufacturing facility helps prevent cross-contamination and product mix-ups. Production areas should follow logical and unidirectional workflows, meaning materials and personnel move in one direction without crossing paths. Environmental conditions such as air quality, temperature, humidity, and lighting must also be properly controlled. Poor facility layout or zigzag workflows increase contamination risk. That is why proper facility design is the foundation of GMP compliance. The second rule of GMP is validation of processes and equipment. Validation provides documented evidence that a process consistently produces products that meet predefined quality standards. In simple terms, validation proves that the manufacturing process works correctly and reliably every time. Validation ensures consistency, quality, and regulatory compliance in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Let's look at the main stages involved in validation. The first stage of validation is installation qualification, commonly known as IQ. During IQ, we confirm that equipment is installed correctly according to manufacturer specifications and design requirements. This includes verifying components, utilities, documentation, and installation conditions. Once installation is verified, the equipment is ready for operational testing. The second stage is operational qualification, or OQ. At this stage, we verify that the equipment operates correctly within its defined operating ranges. Parameters such as temperature, pressure, speed, and control systems are tested to ensure proper functioning. OQ confirms that the equipment performs as intended under controlled conditions. The third stage is performance qualification, or PQ. During PQ, the equipment and process are tested under actual production conditions using real materials and real procedures. The goal is to demonstrate that the process consistently produces products that meet required quality standards. Successful PQ confirms that the process is ready for routine production. Validation is not a one-time activity. The validated state must be maintained through regular monitoring, periodic review, and proper change control. Any modification to equipment, materials, or processes must be evaluated carefully to ensure product quality is not affected. Maintaining validation ensures continued GMP compliance. The third golden rule of GMP is writing and following good procedures. Standard operating procedures, or SOP, must be clear, simple, and easy to follow on the production floor. Employees must be properly trained and regularly assessed to ensure compliance with these procedures. If any deviation occurs, it must be documented immediately, along with the reason and corrective action. Remember, a procedure only protects you when it is written correctly and followed exactly. The fourth rule of GMP focuses on documentation. There is a well-known GMP principle: if it isn't written down, it didn't happen. Batch records must be complete, legible, and error-free for every production run. Equipment usage, maintenance, and calibration must be recorded in equipment logbooks. Corrections must follow proper documentation practices using a single-line correction with signature, date, and reason. Accurate records ensure full traceability and regulatory compliance. The fifth rule focuses on people. Employees must receive regular GMP training to stay updated with regulations and company procedures. Training should also explain why GMP rules exist, not just what to do. When employees understand the importance of their actions, compliance improves significantly. Well-trained teams reduce errors, deviations, and compliance failures. In addition to the 5 rules, hygiene and maintenance are essential for maintaining GMP standards. Personal hygiene practices such as proper gowning, hand hygiene, and health monitoring help prevent contamination. Facilities must follow regular cleaning schedules and pest control programs. Preventive maintenance ensures equipment operates reliably and prevents unexpected breakdowns. A simple daily checklist can help maintain GMP compliance. Verify that facility design supports safe workflows. Ensure all processes and equipment remain validated. Confirm SOPs are followed correctly. Check that documentation is accurate and complete. And ensure staff remain trained and quality-focused. GMP compliance has a major impact on the pharmaceutical industry. Product recalls cost billions of dollars each year, and most of these recalls are preventable. Studies show that many recalls occur due to GMP failures such as poor documentation, contamination, or process control issues. Following GMP protects patients and prevents costly regulatory actions. Many GMP failures happen because of common mistakes. Skipping validation steps introduces uncontrolled risk. Poor documentation is one of the most common inspection findings. Inadequate training leads to SOP violations. Neglecting facility hygiene increases contamination risk. Understanding these pitfalls helps organizations avoid compliance failures. To maintain strong GMP compliance, companies must adopt proactive strategies. Digital training platforms can track training completion and compliance records. Regular internal audits help identify risks before regulatory inspections. Most importantly, organizations must build a culture of quality, where every employee takes responsibility for compliance. Without GMP, manufacturing processes become disorganized. Workflows are unclear, documentation is incomplete, and labeling errors can occur. With GMP in place, operations become structured, controlled, and fully documented, ensuring consistent product quality. Every employee plays an important role in GMP compliance. Follow the 5 golden rules every day. If you observe any deviation or potential risk, report it immediately. Remember, every action taken on the production floor directly affects patient safety and product quality. Thank you for joining this GMP training session. Remember the 5 golden rules of GMP: facility design, validation, procedures, records, and training. When these principles are applied consistently, they ensure product quality, protect patients, and maintain regulatory compliance. Quality is everyone's responsibility.